excited to show you my brand new unicorn tent kit. Are you ready? Great! Let's open it up. Ooh, a cap? Maybe this should go. Where can I keep this? You have any ideas? You want to hold it? Great! Here, guys. Now let's get the tent. Unicorn tent kit. Whoa, this is huge. We gotta need it later. We gotta use it later. That's because this is the tent after we build. And then we can put the tent on top so we can enjoy. Okay, we gotta see what building stuff there is. Whoa, some sticks. Whoa, these are big. There's one more in here. Whoa, that's huge. This is the color red sticks. You want to count how many? 3. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 sticks. 5 red sticks. Okay, let's start. All we need is 2 sticks for one building. We got these red sticks and told you what they are. Now we're gonna keep them right here. Can you set up? Together in line. Let's go do our work. Now, let's do another one. There is. I can't reach. Yeah. This is yellow sticks. Let's see how many are there. 1, 2. There's 2 sticks. Now we need to put them next. Okay, let's see what the next. Things will do it. Whoa. Kind of bigger than the red ones. Okay, these are green sticks. Wanna know how many are there? Green. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 sticks. Now let's keep them. Let's start with the next. Ready? Let's get the box. I got things. These are sticks. Now we know 1. These are blue color sticks. Kind of light blue sticks. These are light blue. Now let's see how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. Now you put them right here. Just here. Put them. Now we have them all on the ground. Let's do it. Oh, a last pipe. There. Oh, it went too far. Oh, let's show you. These are different. Stretches. Oh, these are different types. These are used from this. Probably gonna go like this. You put them down, go. all are same. Now these other types pipes. Woohoo! Pipes! Put them in a different way. These are different. These are different than these. So, yeah. Bye-bye, since you're empty. We need instructions. Oh, that bottle has instructions. Ugh, this has instructions. I don't know. First one. We need to make, this is step 1. All we need is A here, and B here, and B here. S, T, E, S, T, E, and P. Step 1. Good job. Now let's start with our constructions. Let's go. You don't know what A and B mean, so I'll show you. This, the red is A. And these two are B. Now let's construct with some pipes. 2 and 2. Now we got our pipes. Let's start constructing. First, we need an A right there. And we need 2 pipes attached to the A. Another pipe. Selected a square around me. I forgot to have in the middle. The square is in the middle, so the rectangle is in the middle. Whoa, this. Never mind. Let's get back to building. We need. I forgot. Step 2. S, T, S.
You want to spin.
I want to spin. S, T, E, P. Step 2. Now, we need C. The next is we need 4 of all of these C's. These green call C in the construction. 4s are pillars. These all that we put in as square shape are pillars. Attach back. We need to put it tight or else other. Oh, see, I told you that's what I should put. Let's put next part. I already tied them, so I didn't say that part. Tight. Here. Tight. Now that we build starting. Now let's start with another. So let's see. I know how to read. And sometimes I might forget, so I never forget. Time to know. Time to know. We need two of these K. And we need some of the pipes. That's the last part. That's what we have out. Now I need to connect these pipes in these shapes. Now we're done. Now, as we put these off, we need these 2 and 1 of this. Ready. This, put other pipe. Okay, put. Sometimes it gets so shaky. Yeah. To attach. There. Now we got this part. We need to do the second. We're done. Now, okay, we need 2 of these lines. We need 2 of A's. 1A, you're balancing. Just roll balancing. Other side. Now we have a little one. Oh, A. Final one. This tent will go on. Ready, set, snap. Oh, awesome. Now the unicorn dream tent house is ready. Now come with me, guys. Come with me. Come with me. It's awesome in here. Come in. Come in. Wow, your brand new home. Okay, come in, guys. Hello. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching this video. And make sure to like and subscribe. And comment down below how much you love this tent. And thank you guys for watching.